Suicide. Introduction. People who talk about killing themselves just want attention. Select true or false. Correct. You should always take a person seriously if she or he talks about committing suicide. Which of the following suggests that a person is considering suicide? Choose one of the following. 1. Giving away belongings. 2. Saying, "What's the point of living?" 3. Withdrawing from social contact. 4. All of the above. Correct. People often show warning signs before committing suicide. Knowing the warning signs can help prevent a suicide from taking place. Hispanics and African Americans never commit suicide. Select true or false. Correct. Suicide does not discriminate. People of all genders, ages, and ethnicities are at risk for suicide, but people most at risk tend to share certain characteristics. There is no treatment available for suicidal thoughts. Select true or false. Correct. Therapy, medicines, treatment for drug and alcohol addiction, and family education and support can be effective in helping people overcome suicidal feelings. Learning about what causes suicidal thoughts and behaviors may help prevent a person from attempting suicide. Select true or false. Correct. People should seek to educate themselves about their suicidal feelings. Learning about what causes these feelings can help prevent a person from committing a tragic mistake. Thank you for using Explain.